So I thought this might be kind of interesting. This personal grooming device, a nasal hair trimmer, no longer functions. So it doesn't really turn on, nothing happens. Now it's a pretty simple mechanism. So you can see just here, there's a little bit of wire. I think that's visible there. And if we manually connect that, slightly fiddly, but connect that to there, and that to there. We can get in and connect it. There we go. That's there. I think you can probably hear that. So it does still work. It's just that the piece of metal in here that is supposed to make contact is not actually making contact. So when this actually slots together, when you turn it to there, that should be making contact. So it seems like a fairly easy fix. I think we just need to either pull this up so it makes better contact even, or pull this bit of springy metal down a bit. So let's give that a go. See if we can get this to work.
One eternity later.
So in the end, the fix was actually quite simple. I've messed around quite a bit with this, but it was simply that this thing here that makes contact with the negative side of the battery was too far in. So I guess when it's been twisted around to put it back on after changing the battery, that slowly got tightened. And you can simply loosen the bolt here, which then makes it stick up further. And now there's a good contact with the battery. So we stick this on. And now it's stopped working. Okay, let's try that again. So definitely making good contact now. So it's this. Oh, that bit's moving around now. I think I've maybe loosened it too much. And I think that's in the right place. So let's try again. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Oh, now it doesn't even turn off. Oh, there we go. Right. On, off. It's a bit sensitive now. But yeah, that should... It's a hair trigger. Get it? Hair trigger? Oh, very good. I'm here all night. Try the veal. Anyway, that's that fixed. I'm sure that was interesting to some people, particularly if you're of my age, where hair seems to be growing everywhere.